When it comes to growing healthy and productive vegetable gardens, organic fertilizers are a fantastic option. They provide essential nutrients to your plants while enriching the soil naturally. While you can't purchase organic fertilizers from stores, you may be surprised to learn you can create your own nutrient-rich fertilizers right in your kitchen. By repurposing kitchen scraps and other organic materials, you can make DIY fertilizers that are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly. In this video, we will explore some simple and effective DIY organic fertilizer recipes that you can use to nourish your vegetable garden. 1. Banana peel fertilizer. Banana peels are rich in potassium, an essential nutrient for fruiting and flowering plants. To make a banana peel fertilizer, simply chop or blend banana peels and bury them directly into the soil around your vegetable plants. As the peels decompose, they release potassium and other beneficial nutrients into the soil. 2. Coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds are a great source of nitrogen, which promotes leafy growth in plants. After brewing your coffee, collect the used coffee grounds and sprinkle them around the base of your vegetable plants. Alternatively, you can mix the coffee grounds with water to create a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. 3. Eggshell fertilizer. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for strong and healthy plant growth. Rinse and crush eggshells into small pieces and sprinkle them around your vegetable plants. As the eggshells break down, they release calcium into the soil, benefiting your plants. 4. Vegetable scrap Compost-Tea. Collect vegetable scraps such as peels, leaves, and stems from your kitchen. Place them in a container filled with water and let it sit for a few days to create a nutrient-rich compost tea. Strain the liquid and use it to water your vegetable plants, providing them with a boost of nutrients. 5. Epsom-Salt Fertilizer. Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate, is a great supplement for plants that need an extra dose of magnesium. Dissolve a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it to water your vegetable garden. This DIY fertilizer can help improve nutrient absorption and enhance plant growth. 6. Weed Tea Fertilizer. Rather than discarding the weeds you pull from your garden, transform them into a beneficial fertilizer. Fill a bucket with water, add the weeds, and let them steep for a few weeks. The resulting weed tea can be diluted and used as a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer for your vegetable plants. 7. Fish Emulsion Fertilizer. Fish emulsion is an excellent source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and trace minerals. Blend leftover fish scraps with water to create a nutrient-dense liquid fertilizer. Dilute the mixture according to package instructions and use it to feed your vegetable garden. By turning kitchen waste into valuable resources, you can create your own DIY organic fertilizers that nourish your vegetable garden naturally. Not only will these homemade fertilizers save you money, but they also contribute to a sustainable and eco-friendly gardening approach. So, start exploring your kitchen and transform your vegetable garden into a thriving and nutrient-rich paradise.